Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my IPSY Ultimate for the month of February, and I feel like I got this pretty early in the month for IPSY. Sometimes they kind of vary, but I'm really excited to get into it. Please try to ignore my croaky frog voice. I am just super sick. I feel like I'm just starting to get better. I'm getting some rest, but I really wanted to be able to film this and get it up for you. I also have these really cute Betsy Johnson little lip clips in my hair. They're so cute. And what goes better with cute pink Valentines than camo, right? Why not? I'm just warm and cozy, and yeah, let's get to this unboxing before I chat a little bit too much. IPSY Ultimate is $50 a month. It is their biggest box that you can get, and I'm really excited. So let's start diving into it. The pink box, the orange foam, the products. First things first, I do see the bag on top, and I do like this one. I feel like IPSY's bags have been really nice lately, and I think this month they kind of vary box to box, like not all the prints are the same, but I love this one. It's like a dusty rose velvet quilted. It's nice and big. It's got some room in it. If you have a big purse and you need to stick your makeup in, I feel like this is the perfect size, and I like it. It's really cute. Dusty pink rose is definitely a favorite color of mine. All right, we got something from Tokyo Milk. This is Neptune and the Mermaid hand cream. That's interesting. I didn't know that they actually made this. And this on the back, it says 84 Anthemoessa, jasmine, salted grapefruit, honeysuckle, and sandalwood. Ooh, this box is so fancy. I like the inner box more than the outer. This is what the hand cream looks like. I don't know, based off of that description, if I'm gonna like the scent. I don't know if it's just lightly scented or if I just can't smell it right now. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. I kind of like that scent. So the tube is cute. Floral design with the pink. I actually think that's pretty cute. I'm really digging the vibe of the box on the inside though. It's like fancy and pretty. Next I got something from Feel. This is the Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. It says it's an ultra concentrated toning gel. Oh, look at that inside. Can you see that texture? Kind of looks like amber. That looks and smells like the fresh rose mask. It definitely gives me that vibes 100%, and I don't have that mask, so I am kind of interested to try this one out and see. I have liked a lot of things from this brand before. I actually don't see the little paperwork in here that usually comes inside. It's got this little card, but it just says, will you be our Valentine? Okay, I actually got up and like looked around trying to find where the card was with the information, but I just don't see it. So I don't think that they actually put one in the box. Next, I got something from Playa. This is the New Day Mist 3-in-1 Style Refresh. Has neroli water, sugar cane, silicone, paraben, SLS free. It's cruelty free. It says it calms unruly strands and resets your style without water or hot tools. Perfect for removing dents from hair ties or creases. Oh, okay. I kind of like this because I like to let my hair go for several days after I wash, or at least a few, and I've been really interested to try this brand. I love the look of their products, and hopefully I will like the product just as much, so I am really happy to try this one out. Next, I got some masks from Sweet Chef. So these are really cute. There's 3 masks in here. There is the Ginger Vitamin C mask. We also got the Beet and Vitamin A mask, and then this one is the Kale and Vitamin B. Looks cute. I love the look of these masks, and I do love sheet masks, so I'm gonna try these out soon. I actually redeemed some points to get this Pixie mascara. Next up, this is the, I'm gonna say Khalees Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. This is just a tiny tube. A couple more small things. I got the Yvette Water Flash Coconut Water Cream. I got, this is the Polar Lip Balm Genuine Lapland Cream. So it looks like this. This is from Tula. This is the Probiotics and Superfoods Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. Another smaller tube. It's a full ounce though, so I should be able to use that one for a little bit. I got a set of brushes. These are Shayna B. They look like a set of eye brushes. feel like I could never have enough eye brushes, so I'm not mad at that. I got a lipstick. This is Fully Fire or Fally Fire Matte Manipulation Creamy Matte Lipstick. The shade is Sunset Boulevard. I'm not gonna hold on to this simply because I have decluttered all my lipsticks and I don't really want to add this one to that collection, so I will set this aside for a giveaway. The color does look really pretty, so hopefully one of you guys will like that. I got the Grace and Stella This Rose Ain't Thorny Rose Roller. So this is a rose quartz facial roller. I've actually wanted a rose quartz one, mainly because I like the look of it. Let's see. Oh, that's really pretty. It's a cute little presentation there with the heart in the middle, and it says, good choice. Oh, it feels nicely made too. I had one from some brand. It was kind of like a cheapy one, and it like squeaked when you rolled it, and I'm like, no, this isn't it. But it looks like there's rose gold around the rose quartz, so that is really, really pretty. I'll definitely be incorporating this into my skincare routine. We've got one more thing, but it's a really good one. So this is Makeup Geek Champagne and Rosé. The colors are really, really pretty. And I do believe this is like revamped Makeup Geek. Definitely very different from their older packaging. And I'm excited to try some of these colors out. I'll swatch a couple. I'm so sorry I sound the way I do. I literally sound like a frog. Ooh, those are pretty. I definitely can't wait to see how these perform on the eyes. But that's just 4 of the 8 shades. All right, so I have to say for $50, I think that is a pretty good box. I probably would have spent $50 on some of these items. I think I'm most excited about the bag, the Playa spray for hair, also the rose quartz roller and the Makeup Geek palette, and they're all such like pretty girly things. Like that's really a vibe, all those pink items. So I'm definitely excited to try most of this. I'll put a couple things in a giveaway in the future, and that's it for the unboxing. So let me know what you think about this box. If it was worth $50 or you think maybe not. I will have IPSY linked below so you guys can go and check it out and get more details if you are interested. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.